Hi friends. So today I'm going to kind of go over how to navigate Google Classroom. So when you are a student in Google Classroom, when you open it up, it should be right here. So I made an example class for you guys to see what I do and see some of the features about Google Classroom that maybe we don't realize they have. So as you can see, my example class is open, and you can see that I have an assignment that's due on Friday at 11:59. And without even opening my Google Classroom, if I know that I have an assignment due, I can click on it and it will open it right up for me. Now, a lot of you don't realize this feature is there, but I'm going to point it out to you. And it points it out to you at the very beginning when you start using Google Classroom. But since most of us started using Google Classroom at school, maybe we kind of forgot that this feature was there. So once you are finished with putting up all of your files, like if you have extra files you have to add, or you're opening your assignment and filling it out and finishing it up, once you're done with all of that, you can click this turn in button, and it is back on this main page. So when you open up your assignment, it looks like this. Now the work you have to do is up here. So I included one of the assignments I did for my school, and you can see it opens up in a new document, and I could go in and I can type and I can type it all up, make it look really pretty. And then when I'm all the way done, I can click this button at the top and it says turn in. Now, if I don't have that turn in feature, sometimes with slides it doesn't have that, I'm going to finish it up and I'm going to go back to my front page and click this turn in button. Now, if I lose it, if I forget where this turn in button is, or maybe I close out of the tab, I can go back to my home page on my Google Classroom and click on this classwork tab. And what's nice about this is when it's organized, which right now mine is just one assignment, but if you have, if you're working on something for day 10, it should have a big section that says day 10, and you can easily find where your work is. And I can go back and I can open my assignment, and you can see it's right here. And if I click on it again and I click on view assignment, it will open it back up to this page. Now, another feature you might not realize you have is that every time you get an assignment on Google Classroom, your email will show you that you have an assignment, and it says the due date, and you can even open it from your email. How you get to your email is you go to your little waffle grid in the corner and you find the envelope, and your envelope will open up your email, and it will have all of your assignments and all of the different things that we're doing in Google Classroom. Another thing you might want to know is that if you go to your classwork tab up here and you click on Google Calendar, it will show you when things are due. I'm new to my Google Calendar, as you can see, and I'm going to click cancel, and it's reloading some stuff. But on your Google Calendar, on the day that your assignment is due, it will open it up. Another way you can look for your Google Calendar is you can go here to your waffle, click on calendar, and it will open up your calendar. Now, all of your assignments that are due, you see down here, you see that my assignments due will be on your calendar. That's also where all of your Google Meets will be. That's also where a lot of your assignments will be. Another thing you need to know is to check your email. If you have some comments from a teacher, it will show up in your email. They will email that to you. It will also show up if your teacher emails you directly. Please check your email. Please turn in your assignments, because that's how we can grade them. Thanks, guys. Hopefully you have a good day.